What are Montana bankruptcy exemptions? Have you ever wondered how bankruptcy works in Montana and what you can keep if you find yourself in that situation? Montana bankruptcy exemptions are designed to protect certain assets when individuals file for bankruptcy. These exemptions allow you to keep essential property and start fresh financially. Let's break down what these exemptions include. First up is the Homestead exemption. In Montana, you can exempt up to $250,000 of equity in your primary home. If you are married and filing jointly, this amount doubles to $500,000. If your property is farmland, you can also exempt up to 320 acres. To claim this exemption, you will need to file a homestead declaration with your local county clerk. Next is the wage exemption. You can protect up to 75% of your weekly wages or 30 times the minimum wage, whichever is higher. This means a portion of your income remains safe from creditors during bankruptcy. Let's talk about vehicles. Montana allows you to exempt up to $2,500 of equity in one motor vehicle. If the value of your car, minus any loan, is $2,500 or less, you can keep it without the bankruptcy trustee selling it. When it comes to personal property, Montana allows exemptions for certain items up to $7,000 in total value. However, no single item can be worth more than $1,250. Additionally, tools necessary for your trade or profession can be exempted up to $1,500. There are also other exemptions to consider. These include medical savings accounts, Social Security benefits, veterans benefits, disability benefits, alimony, child support, and most retirement accounts. It is important to note that Montana does not have a wildcard exemption. This means you cannot protect any property up to a certain value. You must stick to the specific exemptions outlined by Montana law. In practical terms, if you file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, exempt assets are protected from being sold by the bankruptcy trustee. Non-exempt assets may be sold to pay creditors, but you can often redeem the non-exempt portion of an asset's value. In Chapter 13 bankruptcy, exempt assets do not need to be included in repayment plans, allowing you to keep them while paying off debts over time. These exemptions help balance the rights of creditors with the protections for debtors, ensuring that essential property and a reasonable amount of equity are preserved during bankruptcy proceedings in Montana.